अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम अब्दुल हसीब और आप देख रहे हैं एक्सेल स्टडी सेंटर। स्टूडेंट्स, आज के जो ऐसे है वो लाइफ इन अ बिग सिटी है और ये ऐसे एफएससी लेवल का हमने इस पे लिखा हुआ है और ये तकरीबन 5 to 6 साइड्स का होता है एफएससी में। और मैट्रिक में 4 साइड्स का ऑलमोस्ट आप ऐसे लिखते हैं। तो मैट्रिक के बच्चे भी इस ऐसे को देख के शॉर्ट करके लेंथ आप अपने लेवल के मुताबिक एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं। ये जो ऐसे है ये रफ फॉर्म में यहाँ लिखा गया है। इस बेसिकली इसकी जो कंप्लीट प्रेजेंटेशंस वगैरह है वो दूसरी वीडियोस में शेयर की गई हैं, वो आपने उसी तरीके से फॉलो करनी है। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू और ऐसे। और एक ऐसे को आपने लिखने के लिए क्या करना है, खुद अगर आप लिखना चाहें तो डिफरेंट नोट्स से डिफरेंट बुक्स से आप कंटेंट को इकट्ठा करें, कोटेशंस को इकट्ठा करें और उसको फिर एक जगह ऑर्गेनाइज कर लें। लाइफ इन अ बिग सिटी। डिवाइन नेचर गेव द फील्ड्स, ह्यूमन आर्ट बिल्ड द सिटीज़। A big city is a product of civilization. It has all the facilities and comforts that civilization can provide. A city is basically a vast built up an area where a large number of people live and work. Here we find high buildings, vast roads, parks, supermarkets, universities, and government offices. The life in a city is very different from village life. It is busy, fast, and restless. Each person has a definitive goal to achieve. There is a great hustle and bustle, but on the contrary, city life is normally fantasized, but all necessities and comfort of life are available to the city people. God made the country, man made the town. A, a big city caters to academic, social, economic, and various other needs of a modern man. There are more and better chances for education in a big city as there are numerous educational institutes and libraries in it. It is natural that city dwellers are better educated. There are number of opportunities for a man to rise in life. There are better and greater opportunities for employment, entertainment, enjoyment. In short, we can say city is a whirlpool of activities. Cities teach me nothing, but people living in them do. Today's city is a clean and pleasant place. It has proper sanitary arrangements. It heaps of refuse and pools of dirty water that spread diseases and epidemics are speedily removed. Medical facilities are available to people in a city. The government run number of dispensaries, hospitals, and clinics. There are hospitals which are equipped with latest technology. Cities are blessed with medical facilities. Transport has progressed to a great deal. There are wide roads in cities on which almost all sort of vehicles can be observed. There are big shops, stores, supermarkets that sell everything from a needle to a motor car. There are government officers, private companies, and factories in urban areas. A city offers many kinds of recreational facilities. The cultural library, literary, and sport activities are carried on throughout the year. A great art is born of the metropolis, but this is only one side of the picture. A big city has its demerits as well. Nothing is perfect in this world. Perfection lies only in God. Always see other side of the picture. It reveals what's hidden. There is no peace and relaxation. There is more loneliness and alienation in a big city, and as a result, there are more psychological diseases and mental problems. People live a very hectic life and they are caught in vicious cycle of getting and spending. Leisure is rare and people do not have time to stand and stare. City life is millions of people being lonesome together. Population has become one of the greatest problem of cities. One experiences all kind of pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and atmospheric pollution. The rush of traffic makes unbearable noise in big cities. Industrialization is leading to the pollution. The pollution is the mother of all the diseases. A man living in a big city is quite away from nature. A city dweller never has a chance to see a sky full of stars or the beautiful scene of sun rising and sunset. The lifestyle is unnatural and artificial. People live a mechanical life here and they are often indulged in cutthroat competition. They struggle hard to surpass others in their mad race of better lifestyle. Man's course begins in a garden but it ends in a city. तो ये यहाँ पर आप ये वाली कोट लिख सकते हैं। इसके अलावा अल्टरनेटिव कोट ऊपर ये पेंसिल से लिखी हुई है, हार्ट अवे फ्रॉम नेचर बिकम्स हार्ड। ये भी यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हैं इस कोट की रिप्लेसमेंट के तौर पे। Broken streets, stray dogs, ill-smelling slums, stagnation, crimes, and sickening pollution are the sore signs of city life. Although there are more and better chances for economic growth and social uplifting for man here, but it is at the cost of his spiritual peace and more moral well-being. Therefore, we can say life in a big city is a mixed blessing. All cities are beautiful, but the beauty is grim. In a nutshell, it can safely be opened that life in a big city has its own merits and demerits. It is a type of rose with thorns. These thorns disintegrate the very soul of our society fabric because most people have their own axe to grind. There is no solitude in the world like that of the big city. सो जी तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारी आज की वीडियो थी। आज का जो हमने ऐसे आपके साथ शेयर किया वो है लाइफ इन अ बिग सिटी। तो इसके अलावा अगर आप कोई और ऐसे टॉपिक पर ऐसे चाहते हैं कि हम अपलोड करें तो उसके लिए आप कमेंट सेक्शन में उस ऐसे का टॉपिक हमारे साथ शेयर कर दें, तो इंशाल्लाह हम उसकी जल्द वीडियो आपसे शेयर कर देंगे। और इस ऐसे की जो पीडीएफ है वो नीचे हम इंशाल्लाह एज अ डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक शेयर कर देंगे, जहाँ से आप इस ऐसे की पीडीएफ भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।